This is installing amateur radio in a 2019 to 2026 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT. Part 1, VHF and UHF, the Icom IC-2730A, and the Yaesu FTM-100 DR. Well, like any install, we start at the battery. I started out using a 10 gauge wire and then went up to 8, as I'm going to be doing VHF and UHF, as well as HF, all on the same connection. And that makes us good for about 40 amps. Once the cover is on, it looks something like this. So we come out of the battery, we swoop down to the fuse holder, pop in our fuse, and seal the fuse holder, come out of the fuse holder, and continue to the firewall. Continue down the firewall. We don't want any sharp edges. The trickiest part is to get through this collar. Once we're on the other side, we immediately went to a fuse block. I found this fuse block on Amazon. We then mounted the radios underneath the dash. I went with this bracket to mount the radio heads onto the dash, using the 2 screw holes behind it. I used the number 6 screw to screw into the dash. And this is the link on Amazon for the mounting bracket. And there are the 2 radios side by side. The Icom is to the left and the Yaesu is to the right. That gives me dual band capability as well as airband using the Icom radio, and the Yaesu radio gives me the capability of APRS and fusion. For the antennas on the roof, I use the Diamond 270 antennas. I've used these exact antennas in the past and they work quite well. Part 2 of this video will be installing HF, which definitely deserves a video on its own. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.